Hi everyone, hope you're well. Got a few odd jobs to do today, bits and pieces here and there. You're not looking your best, really, are you? So this is a big batch of old celery. I'm not sure if it's good for anything now, but I suppose we can have a look. Bloody hell, my eyes are like soil magnets. Whatever I'm shaking or digging, it finds its way into my eyes. And I hate wearing goggles. Wow, I mean it's very bushy, but not a lot of substance there really. But I suppose we could make some soup or something. I obviously planted all this too thickly. I don't know about you, but I hate thinning out. It seems like a waste. But when you do this, you realise why you do it. Runny nose time. Loads of worms, which is good. Last one. There we have it. So celery soup for the next 2 months. Nice. Even though it's midwinter, it's still quite mild, and it's still okay to feed the fish. You have to be careful when it gets down to sort of 3 degrees, something like that, 3 or 4 degrees. Anything above that is okay, but anything below they can't digest the food, and it's not good for them. But when we've got mild days like this, it's nice to give them a top up. Got a beautiful thistle head here, so I'm hoping that we can break that open and use some of the seeds, see what happens. They're beautiful when they come out. Lovely grey foliage and beautiful thistle flowers. In fact, let me take you through my seed tin. So this seating was given to me by my future son-in-law actually last year, I think, year before. And I just stuff everything in there. I've got the old tomato and pumpkin seeds I did the other day that are drying out. A few old packets there. They'll probably won't germinate because they're too old. And then at the end of the season I get all the seed heads, flower heads, and throw them in that section there. Now, a thoughtful person would take the seed heads, put them in separate packets, write on them, store them away, so when you get them out, everything's in order. As you can see, I like throwing them in the ground and play guess what's coming up next. So that's where last year's thistle was, but I'm thinking of putting it up here. I was going to put the broom there initially, but I think maybe in that corner it'll get some, well, get a lot more sun than it's getting now. I don't know, what do you think? Do they need sun? Are they good in the shade? You tell me. So if you're like me and do most of your gardening on a budget, we haven't got these TV budgets that most people have when you look at TV. This is the real world. Things like this are bloody expensive. You go to a reclamation yard and something like that could be 100 to 200 pounds. I mean, it's bonkers. But if you look for broken stuff, you can get it for next to nothing. You see here, this was all broken, it's broken around the back as well. So I made a silly offer, took all the pieces as well, and just got some no-nails on it, glued it back together, and it's fine. When it's weathered in, you wouldn't see the cracks, but to be honest, what's the matter with a few cracks? That's life. So, that's the end of another one. Please like, share, comment, join in, tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I'm doing it wrong daily. As I said, we're just trying to have a bit of fun. Makes me happy, as I said before, find your happiness, and life's a bit better then.